You all spend a lot of time on your skin regime, but your hair are as much important as your skin. So keep watching these 30 tips that will help you grow your hair healthy and long. Tip number 1. Don't rub, only pat dry your hair. Rubbing vigorously with a towel is the worst thing that you can do because damp hair are very fragile, so may lead to hair damage. Tip number 2 is the oiling once or twice a week. Now you can use any oil you want to. Use your fingertips to massage oil deep into your scalp. This will activate your hair follicles. Now take the strands like this and stretch them outward so the oil absorbs deep into the skin. This will also improve the blood flow to the scalp because keeping your efforts focused on your scalp really grow your hair. Tip number 3. Don't brush wet hair because wet hair are more fragile, so may lead to hair breakage and eventually hair fall. Now you can use your fingers if your hair are on good side, but if you are using the brush, it is the very bad option for the wet hair. Next tip is tip number 4. Hang your head. Now this tip is very important. All you have to do is lie on your back on your bed and hang your head over the edge. Hang it as low as possible and stay in that position for up to 10 to 15 minutes. This position will increase the blood flow very effectively. And you all know the importance of blood flow for healthy and long hair. Tip number 5 is use scrunchies and say no to elastic as elastic will pull your hair leading to hair breakage. Comparing to elastic, scrunchies are made out of fabric preventing from pulling and breakage. And you can also DIY scrunchies. Tip number 6. Braiding before sleeping. Braiding your hair prevent any breakage and also help keep your hair structured. It also leaves you with beautiful beachy waves the next morning. Tip number 7. Don't sleep or tie damp hair. Tying damp hair can create very bad odor, so let them air dry. It will take time, but after then brushing will be very easy. Tip number 8. Brush your hair before sleeping. It will also increase the blood flow. Tip number 9. Sleep on silk or satin pillow. Sleep on silk prevent friction, and if you don't have any, you can use scarf or shirt. Tip number 10 is the DIY. You don't need any expensive hair mask. You only need the yogurt, egg and any oil. Mix them and apply. Tip number 11. Scalp over hair. Do you know that dry and flaky scalp can stop the blood flow from flowing to your hair, leading to breakage of hair? So focus on that, girl. Tip number 12 is a myth, which is totally wrong because hair grow from roots, not tips. Tip number 13. Don't overwash. Only wash 1 to 2 times per week. Next tip is tip number 14. Don't use too much or harsh shampoo. Use sulfate-free shampoo to remove that fuzz in your hair. Tip number 15 is to tie a towel like this. Tying your hair like this makes your hair very smooth and soft until and unless your towel is of good quality and soft too. Tip number 16 is the trimming of dead ends. Hold your hair strand like this and start rotating it until the dead ends comes out. And when they come out, cut them away. Repeat the procedure every other month. Tip number 17 is to change your hairstyle twice a day. Now sometimes the simplest hair care tips have such a big impact, so switch your hairstyles twice a day. And sorry for the delay. Next tip is to let your scalp breathe, as it's a skin and needs oxygen, so untie for at least 1 hour. Tip number 19 is to use vinegar as a dandruff remedy. Due to its acidic nature and antifungal properties, it really helps to remove the dead skin. Add capful of vinegar into the water and take a bath. It will really remove the dandruff. Tip number 20. Brushing downward to upward direction. Start a few inches from your hair ends and brush it downwards, moving upwards and closer to your scalp, and then go down the entire length at once. Tip number 21. Potent chemical dyes, mask, etc. Must consult before any treatment. Tip number 22. Don't overdo heating. Who don't love hairstyling by these, but do it only when you need. Keep your hot tools on low temperature, otherwise it will make your hair super dry. Use heat protectant serums, otherwise it will make your hair super dry. These type of bottles make your application very easy. Use tissue paper or comb to clean your brushes from hair. Tip number 26, don't tie too tight is a rule you must follow. Tip number 27, don't wash with too hot water because it will draw out all the essential oils and moisture from your hair. This tip is for the scarf wearing girls, so read and follow. Tip number 29, you can use coconut oil as a leave-in conditioner. So the last tip is the motivation. If you want long hairs, be patient and follow the rules. An extra tip is to subscribe my channel.